Welcome to Ask Logic, the video series where we're answering your questions. I'm Todd Smith and I'll be your host. Throughout this video series, we're going to cover things that we're experts in. So SEO, web design, web development, PPC, social media, photography, and videography. That's why we wanted to start Ask Lifted Logic, to help serve out content to people who aren't just our clients. Because the more you guys know, the better decisions you can make. What are some trends in web design that you've seen that you think are going to be changing over the next couple of years?
I would say things are just going to keep being more and more intuitive.
What do you mean by that?
I would say like not having users fill out as many steps, but like thinking like one step ahead, and just better and better like user interaction and like leading users like through experiences. As far as like visual design, it's really changing every single day.
What is a aspect of design that used to be trendy or cool or amazing, but now is like faux pas, frowned upon, like shouldn't do it? If you do, like you don't know design.
Oh gosh. Yeah, I mean, there's tons of things that are constantly like going in and out of style. I would say at Lifted Logic, we really, really try to keep things like in the present moment and really clean, but also classic to a certain extent, and to not hop on any trends that are just like short-term, super trendy things to do, unless it really like matters for that client.
Yeah. I think for us, like we always talk with each client how if your site's done right, you should be good for like 2 to 4 years.
Totally.
And like that doesn't mean like it's not good after that. It just means that design changes, development changes, and there's a little bit of like a curve. Feel free to hashtag AskLL on social media, and we'll get to them as quickly as we can. But keep in mind, there are no stupid questions, especially in the digital space.